Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering parts and choosing software so you can move fast. Pick a Pi model with 2 GB plus RAM, reliable power, and a 16 GB plus micro SD. Once you image Raspberry Pi OS or Home Assistant OS, enable SSH and pre-configure Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet. After first boot, update packages and set a static IP so devices find your hub. Make sure to change default passwords immediately to avoid exposure. Now you install the automation stack and integrations that make everything smart. Install Home Assistant or OpenHAB. Docker gives isolation and easier backups. Once running, enable the supervisor or persistence layer. Next, deploy an MQTT broker and Node-RED for orchestration, then register devices and create logical groups. Once done, integrate discovery protocols like MDNS or set static entries in local DNS. Make sure to configure TLS and user accounts. Finish by building automations, dashboards, and device scenes. Test flows end-to-end so you know triggers and actions behave. Once stable, automate snapshots and export backups to an external drive or encrypted cloud. If something breaks, start with logs and network checks. Confirm the Pi's IP, MQTT topics, and service statuses. If stuck, restart services sequentially, broker, automation engine, UI, and roll back to a recent snapshot. Make sure to keep one known good backup before major changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.